Lisa, you were saying you have problems with your upper back and neck. Do you feel it from like here up or here down?
I'm feeling it where you're touching on my inside of my shoulder blade.
Right in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So this hand?
Yes.
That was just making sure. And then if I go up a little bit, still a little tight?
Yep.
Yeah. And I'm just using my hands to start. These are lighter tools. I'm just getting a feel for what's going on. But I think also Lisa's making soap and doing lots of stuff with her arms and hands. That's probably causing some contraction on this side right here. In just a second, I'll use a little bit of a deeper technique to see if we can get some of that to kind of work on it from a position she's used to being in, which is seated, making soap and what, lip balms and
bath bombs.
Bath bombs.
It's I'm usually standing on it.
Ooh, right there. Ooh.
I'm standing and bending over a table.
There we go. Not too deep?
No, it's great.
Yeah. It also gives me a chance to see how much pressure she can take without using like a sharper, broader tool.